In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Typeform survey. Whether you've gathered all the feedback you need or your survey deadline has passed, knowing how to stop receiving new responses is key. So let's dive in and walk through the steps you'll need to take to smoothly and efficiently close your Typeform survey using the access and scheduling settings. First things first, you'll want to open up your desired form within your Typeform workspace. This is important because you want to ensure that you're making changes to the correct survey, especially if you manage multiple forms. So go ahead and locate your Typeform dashboard and find the survey in question. Click on it to open the form editor. Once you've selected your form, look towards the top right corner of the form editor and you'll see a gear icon. This little icon represents the settings for your form. Go ahead and click on that icon to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the settings menu, your next task is to find the section labeled Access and Scheduling. This is where you'll configure the closure settings for your survey. Navigating to this section is essential because it allows you to control who can access your form and when it can be accessed. This is crucial for closing the form in a timely and effective manner, so make sure you're focused as we move forward. The pivotal step in this process is to toggle on the option labeled Close Form to New Responses. By doing this, you will immediately stop your form from accepting any further submissions. It's such a simple yet powerful feature that eliminates the risk of receiving additional responses once your survey period has expired. Now, if you're on Typeform's business plan, you have an added advantage here. You can set up a custom message that will appear to anyone trying to access your form after it's been closed. This is a thoughtful touch because it keeps potential respondents informed that the survey is no longer open. You might want to thank them for their interest or redirect them to another resource if necessary. It's a small but valuable way to maintain a good relationship with your audience. Don't forget, after you've made your selections to close the form, it's crucial to click the Save button. This final step isn't just a formality. It locks in your settings and guarantees that your form is officially closed. By saving your changes, you're making sure that everything operates as you intended, keeping your data collection orderly and without any unintended submissions. Once you've gone through these steps, congratulations, you've successfully closed your Typeform survey. It's fantastic knowing that you have complete control over your data collection. Now, no more responses will come in past your desired point. However, it's also good practice to periodically check your survey settings, especially if you plan on reopening the survey later, or if you intend to launch new ones down the line. Thank you for tuning in today to learn how to close your Typeform survey. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribing for more insightful Typeform tips and tricks. Remember, managing your surveys effectively can greatly enhance your data collection experience. Catch you in the next video.